This sacred smoke removes all bad vibes and cough, possibly oxygen too.
Welcome to the leaf bath. Center your soul. Ignore the beetle bang. He's part of the treatment.
Perfect pour. Hydration is a mindset. Each tone unlocks a different chakra, especially the sound of something breaking.
Blocked energy. Released. Kevin is now emotionally centered. You're welcome.
Emotional blockage, gone. I'm basically a jungle shaman now.
My aura. I think I overhealed.